The first product we'd like to introduce you to is the BAKFlip truck bed cover, and in an aha moment at BAK Industries, which we affectionately term BAK Magic, we developed and designed this product. And the first thing you'll notice about it is how easy it is to access the actual truck bed. All you do, through the back of the truck bed, you've got full access to your truck. Now, let's say you wanted to have incremental use of your truck bed because you're picking up a refrigerator from a store. All you do from either side of the truck, pull the cable, flip it over, close your truck, and all of a sudden you've got full access to an incremental portion of your truck bed. But let's say you wanted more access. All you do is fold it over again. Now you can carry something larger. How about more access? Once again, and in the brilliance of the BAKFlip truck bed cover, what we finally figured out how to do, which no other truck bed cover can ever offer you, is the ability to get full, unobstructed use of your truck bed with the ability to lock the cover in a position and drive with it with a full load. But when you start looking at the particular details of the cover and the finer aspects of it, you actually realize what an ingenious piece of work this is. So let's first of all take a look at how we close the cover. From either side of the truck, these rods simply pop down and lock into position. But the ingenious part about this cover is its patented slam latch system, which means that as you close the cover, it latches automatically from both sides of the truck. If you care to hear this, automatically it's latched. I can't lift it. In order to lift it from either side of the truck, I've got to pull the lever, and that'll allow me to fold the cover up. Anybody can do it, large or small. So folding it down, it's latched in a position. Now take a look at how cool this is. You fold another panel down, and that latches in a position. Now all I do is I take this, fold it all the way over so that the front two are resting over the back two, and literally I've got a full scaffolding on which I can sit, on which I can stand, on which I could use for work, for whatever purpose I might need the cover for. In addition to the fact that if I'm on the side of the road, I can simply turn that into a really, really cool type of billboard that you can post various kinds of messages on. Closing the cover is as simple. All you do is shut the lid, and the cover automatically latches with its slam latch system, and you, my friends, are locked and secure. Let's take a closer look at what the BAKFlip product is actually comprised of and which components BAK Industries has chosen to actually produce the cover with. If you notice, the cover is made from very, very stealth, strong composite panels. Let's take a look at what the hinges are made out of. Recognizing that a hinge is a sensitive issue. It's constantly being opened and closed. It's constantly exposed to the elements, to rain, to snow, to salts, to fertilizers. Hinges can wear out. So what BAK Industries has endeavored to do is to actually make a hinge made out of an EPDM rubber. Suffice it to say, the rubber can be opened and closed 1,000,000 times without any deterioration whatsoever, and more importantly, rubber cannot leak. So you've got a really, really nice watertight hinge which can be operated over and over again without any problem to the cover whatsoever. In addition to that, water is a primary issue for BAK Industries designs, and so every single hinge is actually encompassed and enclosed with an aluminum drain gutter. Those drain gutters are able to catch water, filter the water into your side drains, and that water is then carried neatly down to the front of your truck bed and drained through hoses which are attached to the corner of your truck bed. If these features aren't enough for you, let's continue with some of the other cool things that the BAKFlip offers. You'll notice that when you close this cover, it actually sits inside the truck bed. It doesn't hang over the side rails. It fits neatly inside. And what that means to a lot of people is that they've got full access to stake hole pockets. These stake hole pockets are able to accommodate tie downs, bed rails, and all different sorts of racks. So when you invest in a BAKFlip cover, you're actually investing in as much utility as you are aesthetics. We're so excited to be able to produce these products for you. We're so glad that you had an opportunity to learn a little bit about our products and what separates these products from all other tonneau covers that are out in the industry. I want to lend you my absolute personal assurance that BAK Industries will stand behind every single product that we produce. We're excited about our products, and we hope that you are too. Thank you so much for listening.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.